Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and baby dinosaurs.
Thank you.
Performing under the big top, the Barney Circus presents our dandy little dancer, Min the Magnificent!
I think I'm falling for fall.
This morning when I woke up and went outside to play, I just had to jump around and shout, it's such a perfect day. The air, it smells like apples and leaves are on the lawn, and I can't stop myself from singing, cause fall is coming on. Around the pond the trees are gold, sweaters on, it's getting cold, let's go outside